So in today, what we're going to do is inequality on Khan Academy. Okay. So let's take a look about the easy one. Is negative 3 comma 2 a solution of negative 4x minus 10y smaller than negative 9? Alright, so let me just copy down the inequality first. And we want to verify is negative 3 2 a solution to the system, to this inequality. Alright, so it basically plugs the x value in and plug y value in. See, does that satisfy as negative 9? Does that satisfy that? So this is equal to 12 minus 20 smaller than negative 9. And then as a result, you can see this is negative 8 smaller than negative 9. Okay? So is negative 8 smaller than negative 9? Well, it's not, right? Negative 8 is supposed to be larger than negative 9. So the answer is no. Let me cross that out. Okay. Question number 2. Is negative 4 is a solution of this inequality, which is y greater than negative 6x minus y minus 1. Alright, so how do we know that? Same, plug the value in. Okay? So negative 4 is negative 4 greater than negative 6 multiplied by negative 4 minus 1. Is negative 4 greater than 24 minus 1? Is negative 4 greater than 23? It's obviously wrong, since the negative number cannot be larger than the positive number. Okay? So moving on. Is negative 5 a solution of y greater than or equal to negative 2x plus 4? Alright, let's take a look. So plug the value in. Negative 5 greater than or equal to is negative 5 greater than or equal to negative 2 multiplied by negative 5 plus 4. Is negative 5 greater than or equal to 10 plus 4? Is negative 5 greater than or equal to 14? No, it doesn't, right? It's a negative number. Again, negative number cannot be larger than a positive number. So it's a no, big no number, okay? Alright, finally, we move on to the next final question for this exercise. Is negative 4 2 a solution of 4x plus 5y smaller than or equal to negative 7? Alright, so let's plug the values in. 4 multiplied by negative 4 plus 5 multiplied by 2. Is that smaller or equal to negative 7? Is negative 16 plus 10 smaller or equal to negative 7? Is negative 6 smaller than or equal to negative 7? No, it's not. Okay? So let me just do a quick review on how to compare this two, just in case you forget. So what we'll do is we'll take absolute value of negative 6 and negative 7, which is 6 and 7. So 6 and 7, obviously 7 is larger than 6. But since we take the absolute value, which is the distance from the origin 0 to 0 corresponding point, which is mean, if to a negative number, if the absolute value is larger than the other number, this actual number is smaller. which is in this case is mean is -6 smaller than -7? No, it's not. Okay, it should be greater than it. Go to -7. Good. Now we're going to do this exercise called graphical. So a few things I want to go over before we do that. Okay. Here's a line. Alright, pay attention to my whiteboard for just a second. Suppose I have a graph like this, and I would like to know and these area all shaded. Okay, I don't have time to shade them actually. So is this point exactly on the line? Is this point count as a part of the inequality? No, it does not count as a part of inequality since it is dashed line. Alright, so this is no. But if I like to redraw all the stuffs and make it like a line like this, a solid line like this, is this line now, is this point now count as a part of the inequalities? Let me shade them first. This part. Does that count now? Yes, it is, since it's a solid line. Alright? So that's the basic concept I want to go over with. And after we understand these, we can go ahead and start. I don't need the whiteboard for this exercise, I think. So, is 0, 0 part of the inequality graph? 0, 0 is right here. It's not in the shaded area, nor in the line, so it's not. Is 1, -4 is a graph inequality, so 1, -4. Is that in the inequality shaded area? Yes, it is. So it's in the inequality. Is 4, 3 a solution of the graph inequality? So 4 and 3 is right here. Is that a solution? No, it's outside of the blue area, so no. And finally, is -2, -4 a solution of this graph inequality? -2 and -4. Right here, which is yes. Good, so we don't use our knowledge for the solid line, dashed line. Okay, but it's good to know that. Finally, we are doing a solution of the system of inequality. Okay. So, we will use the same strategy for this question, just the same as the other one, the one that's we just for the first exercise, except we need to plug the value into two different equations. Alright, let's take a look about what that means. Okay. So 7x minus 9y smaller than 5. -2x plus 4y greater than 5. Is 3, 5 a solution? Well, let's take a look. Alright, so let's plug the value in. So 7 multiplied by 3 minus 9 multiplied by 5, is this smaller than 5? Well, it is, because this is equal to 21, this is equal to 45, and it's obviously a negative number. So, yep, it satisfies first equation, but we didn't finish yet. We still need to double check second equation. So, -2 multiplied by 3 plus 4 multiplied by 5 is that greater than 5? Well, so it seems as -6 plus 20 is that greater than 5? Yep, it is, since this quotient is 14. So, great. Now it satisfies both equations, which inequalities. So 3, 5 is a solution to the system of inequalities. Ooh, interesting. Now, let's take a look. For this graph system, is -4, 4 a solution of the graph system of inequalities? So let's find -4 and 4 first. It's right here. So it's neither in the area of neither green nor blue. So it's not in the system of inequalities. Next one. Negative x plus 4y greater than 3. 6x minus 7y smaller than -5. Is 2, 3 a solution to the system? Well, I'm encouraging you to pause this talk through and try it on your own, since it's really straightforward. Alright, so let's have it together. If we did, that's great, so you can check our work. So, let's plug the x value in. And also y value. So let's double check this first. Is -16. Oh, shoot. I forget to write this down. So, what we did is -16 plus 12 is that greater than 3? No, it's not. It's a negative number. So, this does not satisfy first inequality, so I don't even have to look at second inequality. But if you want, you could. In fact, please look at second inequality and see if that's satisfied. But for now, I'm just gonna say no. Alright, finally we get this. Is 1, 5 a solution of the graph system of inequality? Where's 1, 5? So 1, 5. Ooh, this is interesting. Shall I press yes or no? Alright, let's take a look at this graph and read the question one more time. Is 1, 5 a solution of the graph system of inequalities? There's some keyword here. Okay, some keywords here. I'm gonna write that keywords down using red. So what's that mean? It's called system of inequalities. First, you can see it's a system. Alright? You can see it's a system. Second, it's inequalities, which is mean it has multiple inequality, which is mean the given result should be in both of blue and green area, which is mean it should be in this area, this triangle area. So if it's only in blue or only in green, it's now counted as a solution. So is 1, 5 in both? No, it's only in blue. So it's not a solution to the whole system. And thank you. Thank you for watching this video. And we are going to give a quick overview about what we'll do next time. So next time we're going to start a quiz. And yeah, we're going to start a quiz. So thank you for watching this video.